Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got painted polish, Celtic Crelly, Maniology, Jack, and Maniology M286, bases loaded lacquer on the black, and Maniology's lily pad. I've started off with IMK PLEs, and this is Celtic Crelly by Painted Polish, and here is Jack by Maniology. So I'm going to paint my nails with these two colors, kind of alternating. I'm going to use the Jack polish on my pinky and my pointer fingernail, and the Celtic Crelly one on my thumb, middle, and ring fingernail. I'm telling you, Jack is gorgeous. And here we go with Celtic Crelly. Now this is an older polish. I don't think it would be available, but you never know. I will try to find a link for painted polish if I can. Maniology, of course, is more easy because this one should be available. It came in a Mani by Me box, so it should be out there. I'm going to get Woody out here. Hi, Woody. How you doing? Help clean up my mess. And this is going to be another of the St. Patrick's Day manicures that I'm doing this year. I don't know which ones come first or second or third or whatever. We're just going to do them as we, can. Get them posted and up on the tubes. There we go. I'm going to top all of these with the INMs out the door. I get this at Sally's Beauty Supply or off of Amazon, eBay, or wherever you may want to do your shopping. And we're just going to cover these up and let them dry down some so we can do some playing. I had originally planned on doing some advanced stamping on this manicure, but I ended up messing up, so you'll get to see what I do. Here are the polishes on their own. Maniology M286 and my H. La Corsador scraper and cube stamper for Maniology, and this here, if it'll focus, is Lily Pad by Maniology. And I was supposed to scrape this and plop it over onto my right hand because I had decals drying for my left hand, but oh no, we got too impatient and just went oops, and then right now I realized, oh no, that wasn't supposed to go there. So we're just going to continue on, and we're going to stamp this manicure on out. This might be a happy accident. I don't know. I'm having a little trouble with this because it's a corner image. That nothing being all, I was already aggravated because I done messed up my manicure. But we're going to go ahead and stamp these. And I love this stamping plate. I'm just really excited about it and loving it. And I think that stamping polish is working great for this. I believe it's called Lily Pad. And I'm really liking it. I think it's very nice. Very, very nice. And here we go. We got to move this over. I am going to be making some like double stamped 4-leaf clovers or shamrocks, whatever. See, I think of shamrocks as 3-leaf. So, whatever. So I did it in green, and I'm going to do the other green one on my other kind of like bronzy golden nail. And then I'm going to do some outlining here with bases loaded lacquer on the black, using that image up there. Gotta get my tape out and get up the parts I don't want. And then line that up. And it just kind of outlines it a little bit, give it a little more definition. I am cleaning that plate with pure acetone. And we're going at it one more time. Just jamming along here. Alright, gotta line this one up. There we go. I did pretty good on that one. I do clean my plate off with acetone before I put it away. I want to put it away clean and a little mat and my scraper card and everything. I try to clean everything up. Ta-da! All clean. I'm going to hop in with a piece of tape and get any of this excess polish up off of my skin. Just makes for easier, cleaner cleanup, I believe. And then I'm going to hop in here with my cleanup brush and some acetone and get around the edges real quick. Not too much to clean up. Everything pretty much came up with the tape. I'm going to top these with the smudge-free top coat from Maniology. What's going on? There we go. Down to the next nail. And once that's totally dry, I'll be using Poshe top coat to finish this one off. I kind of had it thick there. I had to get some off the brush. Sometimes I do that. Go cap my free edge here. There we go. Awesome. Got to get that one done too. Got to do all of them with that glossy top coat. Well, I hope you enjoyed this one. If you did, leave me a comment down below. I'd love to hear what you think. Hi, Woody. How you doing? And there's my swatch photo. So that is it for me today. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time.